Ah, there's the other facility. Okay, I didn't know if it was back further or over here. Let's see if we can actually get into it this time. Now that I'm not panicking. Now that I know that this is not the scariest place in the whole game. Further down into fire, hellfire.
This alien structure appears to have collapsed to the sea floor. Cause unknown. Computing theories.
Are you really going to compute theories? So it wasn't always down here, it was up there. I guess. Well, you did say it collapsed to the sea floor. I don't really see any other options. Did you make up some...
An alien broadcast. Linguistic analysis reads, caution, hazardous materials and life forms contained within.
Whoa! Hazardous life forms contained within, you say? That just makes Jack want to say, oh, let's go in! Is that an entrance? Oh, you look like an entrance, baby daddy. Hell yeah, okay, we're in. I didn't know if I could actually get in or not. What hazardous materials and life forms do you have?
The materials in this section are substantially reinforced, indicating the designers were seeking either to keep something out or contain it within. Whatever their intention, it clearly failed.
Dude, were you trying to keep some shit in here that backfired and killed you? Just some skeleton bones. Okay, what is this? Can I scan? Can I break? I want in! Oh man. So this was some sort of containment facility as well then. I get into my pepper. Oh look! There's like displays. Interesting. Damage report. Leviathan detected at facility perimeter. Closing at high speed. Exterior wall impacted with massive force. Oh! Connect the dots! The sea dragon, Leviathan, crashed into this. Lifeform containment unit 7, Leviathan eggs breached. General structural integrity compromised. Immediate specimen destruction protocol initiated. 314 specimens destroyed, 1 specimen unaccounted for. Evacuating staff to off-site sanctuaries. Planetary quarantine protocol initiated at the following sites. Ground to air. Okay, quarantine protocol. So that's the place where I have my base. Enforcement platform, power plant, and primary containment facility. Infected individuals may not leave the planet. Dude, there's another fucking skull in there! Ooh. So, did they take the dragon's eggs? Because it said it was in the egg stage. Oh, yes. It was in the egg stage of its life. And there's an egg back there, so maybe the thing crashed into it to try and get their eggs back. Can I scan you? Yes. The skeleton remains of a vast predator discovered inside an artificial habitat of the alien research facility. The environment constructed to house the specimen suggests it was kept alive in containment for research purposes for months or even years. Organic matter indicates the habitat once supported extensive plant life, though it has since decayed. Time of death coincides with the facility's abandonment. There is little physical damage to the skeleton, suggesting deaths from malnourishment or outside interference. Very interesting. While it shares some skeletal traits with the biter, this fossilized specimen is significantly larger and features unusual forearms, more in common with the sea dragon. It matches no living species encountered so far, indicating it has either faced extinction in the past 1,000 years or evolved beyond recognition. Maybe they forced it to evolve. Maybe they were experimenting on things and splicing genes together and splicing DNA together. This is fascinating. We're learning so much in this episode. Oh god.
Residual biological evidence suggests that indigenous life forms were brought to this location and subjected to intensive gene manipulation.
Dude, this is where the warpers were being made! Dude, that's fucking cool! Its digestive and pulmonary systems have been replaced by an onboard battery receiving energy directly from this facility and distributing it around the body. Miniaturized phase technology has been implanted beneath the skin and is triggered by the central nervous system, allowing the construct to teleport at will. The brain and central nervous system have been digitally augmented with advanced processing power and remote communications. programmable hunter-killer. That's fucking cool. So this is where they were putting the warpers together and splicing genes and DNA and body parts and everything. I'm gonna have to say that that's radtacular.
Data pertaining to the bacterium is being downloaded. Caution. Detecting atypical fluctuations in blood plasma proteins. A self-scan is strongly advised.
Oh god, did I just infect myself further? Bacterial mechanisms.
Integrating new PDA data.
Attaches to healthy living cells and mutates the basic genetic structure. Symptom stage 1, none. Stage 2, gradual immune system failure. Stage 3, unpredictable alterations to biological structure. And 4, complete shutdown of executive function. Confirmed deaths so far, 143 billion. Treatment procedure unknown. So, what people say is like the goal of the game is that you build your facilities and everything and you get further into the game and then you get to the lava zone. You get to that containment facility where possibly the Sea Emperor is. You use them to get information on a cure because they're immune to it. So you use them to reverse engineer a cure and then you inject yourself with it and then you escape the planet. I think that that's what the end goal for the game actually is.
Caution. Dehydration detected.
Dehydration detected, yeah. I think we've seen everything that we can see in here. Which is absolutely awesome. Oh wait, no we haven't. Insert artifact. I need more data. I need more information. I need to figure out what the hell is going on. Lest I commit the same offenses and repeat history.
Added.
Oh, thanks. I got a signal for a thermal plant. Oh, it's not like I haven't found it. This device appears to hold alien research data. It seems that the alien civilization was facing a mass extinction event brought on by the bacterium. Oh, so the mass extinction event was the disease then. So maybe the meteor crater impact... Okay, I need oxygen. Maybe the crater meteor impact wasn't the extinction event. They established this facility to study the infection and possible cures in seclusion. Of the specimens on record, only one survived infection with this bacterium. The closest translation of their symbol for this specimen is the Emperor. Sea Emperor. For some reason, this facility was insufficient to study the Emperor specimen, and it was instead contained within a purpose-built habitat elsewhere on the planet. While it is unlikely that the specimen in question is still contained within the facility, it is possible the alien researchers left behind information relating to the cure they were seeking. References to the Emperor containment facility in the data are scarce, but its location is suggested to be approximately volcanic. Okay. Well, I found that already, so I don't need your fucking handouts. Typical me, finding everything in reverse. It was the same when I found the precursor facility on the other planet. I found that in reverse as well. Okay, I'm actually going back over this way. Okay, let's get out of here for good and forever and for always.